Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Chinese Food. I'm Jack. Today we will learn how to make Chinese winter melon soup. The winter melon is also called wax gourd in English. In this recipe, we all use duck and barley to this food. Let's start. Firstly, we should wash and cut the winter melon. We use 300 gram winter melon for this soup. Because the winter melon is so big, that we only need a small part of winter melon for this soup. Then we need to cut the winter melon into chunks. We don't need to peel the winter melon, because the skin of winter melon has medical value in traditional Chinese medicine. Then save it for later. Next, we should wash and cut the duck. We use 500 gram duck for this soup. We don't use the feet or head of duck to cook this soup. After washing, cut it into small pieces, then save it for later. Now we should prepare some ingredients for this soup. Firstly, we need to prepare thick slices of ginger for this food, then save them for later. After that, cut one bunch of parsley into small pieces. Then save them for later. Next, we should blanch duck. Firstly, add some cold water, 3 slices of ginger, duck into the pan. Use the big fire to heat it. After the water has boiled, cook it for 3 minutes. After that, put the duck into the cold water to wash it. Then drain and save them for later. Next, we can cook this winter melon soup. Add duck, winter melon, barley into the rice cooker. Then add enough water to immerse them. Use the big fire to heat it. Then add 3 slices of ginger into the rice cooker. After the water has boiled, use soft fire to cook it for 2 hours. After 2 hours, add the parsley and half teaspoon salt into the rice cooker. Then we got the delicious Chinese winter melon soup. This soup is not only delicious and fragrant, but also more nutritious. It's the best soup we should make in summer. Hope you can try it at home. Okay, that's our Chinese food today. If you like our video, please subscribe to us. If you have any problems, please leave your comment below. See you next Chinese food. Bye.